All right, thank you, Matt. As we just heard from Mr. Broad, if you want a white Christmas, you may have to head to Mount Lemmon. The mountain is expecting its first heavy snowstorm heading into the weekend. And let's take a live look right now for our News 4 Tucson Skynet camera. Look at that, looking over Mount Bigelow. If you plan on heading to Ski Valley or past Summerhaven, reports are predicting almost a foot of snow. That is fantastic. So be sure to call the number there on your screen, 520-351-3351, to check the current road conditions. Very important prior to making your trek up to the mountain.